If you want to hide background graphics in PowerPoint, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is really useful when you're working with a template that has built-in graphics, but you want a cleaner, simpler slide for your presentation. Whether you're editing one slide or adjusting the look of your deck, this method can save you time and help you create a more professional result. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide you want to edit. You can click the slide in the main workspace or choose it from the slide thumbnail panel on the left. It's important to select the exact slide you want to change because the background graphic settings can apply differently depending on the slide and theme you're using. Once your slide is selected, go up to the top menu and click the Design tab. The Design tab is where PowerPoint keeps most of the theme, layout, and background options, so this is the place you'll want to go for changing the slide's appearance. After that, look for the Format Background button and click it. This opens the background formatting panel where you can control how the slide background looks. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear as a side panel or a pop-up menu, but the option is still in the same area. Now, inside the background settings, find the checkbox labeled Hide Background Graphics and check it. As soon as you enable this option, PowerPoint will remove the theme's background graphics from the selected slide. That means any built-in decorative elements from the template will disappear, giving you a cleaner canvas to work with. If you want to compare the difference, you can switch the option on and off to see how the slide changes. This is especially helpful if you're trying to make certain slides stand out while still using the same overall theme for the rest of the presentation. You can repeat these steps on other slides if you only want to hide the graphics on specific pages. And that's it. You've now hidden the background graphics in PowerPoint. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in the look and readability of your slides. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step PowerPoint guides, and comment below if you want to see more presentation tips in future videos.